everyone, myself Shweta Gohil and welcome to the session of Microwave and Radar Engineering. Today we will see microwave semiconductor devices in which we will see tunnel diode. So let's see the contents of today's session. We will see tunnel diode, its definition, what do you mean by tunnel diode, what is working of tunnel diode, we will see its VI characteristics, its application, and the last one, assignment. Now let us see what do you mean by tunnel diode. A tunnel diode is heavily doped PN junction diode in which electric current decreases, voltage increases. In tunnel diode, electric current is caused by tunneling. The tunnel diode is used as very fast switching device in computers. It is also used in high frequency oscillations and amplifiers. This is the symbol of tunnel diode in which we represent anode and cathode and we indicate symbol by T at the diode. Now can you guess what do you mean by tunnel diode? Why it is named so? So let us see it. A tunnel diode is also known as Esaki diode. It is type of semiconductor diode that has effectively negative resistance due to quantum mechanical effect called tunneling. The tunnel diode has heavily doped PN junction that is about 10 nm wide. Many devices use negative conductance property of semiconductors for high frequency applications. A tunnel diode is one of the most commonly used negative conductance device. It is also known as Esaki diode after Leo Esaki. The concentration of dopants in both P and N junction is also abrupt. For this reason, the depletion layer width is very small. In the current voltage characteristic of tunnel diode, we can find negative slope region when forward bias is applied. Now let us see working of tunnel diode. We have divided working of tunnel diode on the basis of its biasing. So in first condition, let us suppose it is unbiased tunnel diode. In unbiased tunnel diode, no voltage can be applied to the tunnel. Here, due to heavy doping, conduction band of N-type semiconductor overlaps with valence band of P-type material. Electrons from N side, holes from P side overlaps with each other and they will be at the same energy level as shown in the diagram. Some electrons tunnel from conduction band of N region to the valence band of P region when temperature increases. Similarly, holes will move from valence band of P region to the conduction band of N region. Finally, the net current will be zero since equal number of electrons holes flow in opposite direction. When a small voltage that has lesser value than the built-in voltage of the depletion layer is applied to tunnel diode, there is no flow of forward current through the junction. Nevertheless, the minimal number of electrons from conduction band of N region will start tunneling to valence band in P region. Therefore, this movement creates a small forward bias current when a small voltage is applied. You can see VI characteristic along with the tunneling effect. In next condition, when amount of voltage applied is increased, the number of free electrons generated in N side and holes at the P side is also increased. Due to voltage increase, overlapping between bands is also increased. Maximum tunnel current flows when energy level of N side conduction band and energy level of P side conduction band becomes equal. Now in next condition, when we further increase the applied voltage, the voltage will cause a slight misalignment of the conduction band and valence band. Still, there will be overlap between the conduction band and valence band. The electrons move from conduction band to valence band of p region. Therefore, this causes small current to flow. Hence, tunnel current starts decreasing. Now, the last condition in which we increase voltage largely, the tunnel current will be zero when we apply large or maximum voltage. At this voltage level, the valence band and conduction band does not overlap. This makes tunnel diode to operate same as PN junction diode. When applied voltage is more than built-in potential of the depletion layer, the forward current starts flowing through the tunnel diode. In this condition, current portion in the curve decreases when voltage increases, and this is negative resistance of the tunnel diode. Such diode operating in negative resistance region is used as amplifier or oscillator. Now let us move on the topic VI characteristic of tunnel diode. We have seen it in working but in small portion. Let us see in full diagram. Due to forward biasing, because of heavy doping, conduction happens in the diode. The maximum current that a diode reaches is IP and voltage applied is Vp. The current value decreases when more amount of voltage is applied. Current keeps decreasing until it reaches minimal value. The small minimal value of current is IV. From the above graph, it is seen that from point A to B, current reduces when voltage increases. That is negative resistance region of the diode. In this region, tunnel diode produces power instead of absorbing it. Now let us see tunnel diode applications. Tunnel diode is type of semiconductor diode which is capable of very fast and in microwave frequency range. Tunnel diode can also be used in high frequency oscillators as transition between high electrical conductivity is very rapid. Next, for microwave generators and amplifiers, tunnel diodes are used. Tunnel diodes are resistant to the effects of magnetic field, high temperature and radioactivity. That's why these can be used in modern military equipment also. These are used in nuclear magnetic resource machine also. But the most important field of its use is satellite communication equipments. That's all for today's session. Let's have assignment questions. First question, explain tunnel diode. Second, explain its working in all the parts. Third, explain characteristic of tunnel diode. And last one, explain applications of tunnel diode. Thank you very much. Wait for more sessions.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJPEC, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast.